Welcome to Yuki's Kitchen. Today, I'll be introducing Hokkaido Scallops Chowder Soup. Let's get started. First, peel and cut the potatoes into bite-sized pieces. Soak them in water for about 5 minutes to remove the lye. Peel the onions and finely chop them. Here we have Hokkaido butter from Yuki-Rushi brand. It's pre-cut into 10 grams portions for convenience. Japanese products are designed with attention to detail, making them very easy and practical to use. Today, I'll be using these Hokkaido scallops. They are boiled baby scallops and cost $2.30, 350 yen. They are delicious even when eaten with just soy sauce. Sauté the ingredients in butter. Add 100 milliliters of water and 400 milliliters of milk. Simmer for about 10 minutes, stirring continuously. In Okinawa, the milk sold comes in 946 milliliters packs. Unlike mainland Japan, where it's 1 liter. In Okinawa, due to the remnants of the U.S. occupation, still uses quarter gallon. Here we have Housefoods Clam Chowder Mix. When you open it, it's divided into 2 parts. So you can use half at a time. Simply sauté your favorite vegetables and seafood. And then add the roux, water and milk. It creates a creamy chowder with rich flavors and depth. Today, I'm using boiled scallops. But it's also delicious with frozen seafood mix. Turn off the heat once and add the chowder mix. Stir well until the roux is dissolved. Then, simmer over low heat, stirring occasionally, for about 5 minutes. Put it to a bowl, sprinkle some black pepper and parsley on top. And it's ready to serve. If you enjoy this video, just hit like and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell. Thank you for watching. Arigato, bye bye.